Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the sharp idiom, burst your bubble. It's a fun way to say someone's hopes or beliefs get shattered by a tough truth, often with a playful or kind tone to soften the blow. It's about bringing someone back to reality. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. You think you'll ace the test without studying? Sorry to burst your bubble, but you need to prep. That's a reality check. Planning a beach day? Hate to burst your bubble, but it's going to rain. The weather ruins the plan. You thought that cheap phone was a steal? Let me burst your bubble. It's a knockoff. It's not as good as you hoped. Sure you'll win the raffle? Don't mean to burst your bubble, but the odds are low. Better not count on it. The idiom burst your bubble has playful roots, popping up in the early 20th century in American English. It likely comes from the image of a soap bubble, pretty and hopeful, but easily popped by reality. By the mid-1900s, it was common in casual speech to describe gently or jokingly revealing hard truths, like dashing dreams or correcting misconceptions. Its light imagery makes it a fun way to talk about disappointment. Use burst your bubble to point out when someone's expectations or ideas are wrong, especially in friendly chats about plans, hopes, or mistakes. This idiom has a kind, sometimes teasing tone and is great for casual conversations where you're sharing a reality check. Be careful in serious situations, as it might sound too playful for big disappointments. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.